Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, now we come to the vowel sounds which we have to stop because of another lecture which is equally important. Now look at the board which I would point with my finger. Now on the left hand there are short sounds, on the right there are long sounds. Look, B, A, D. B, D consonants हैं और A vowel है. It would be pronounced bad, bad. इसी वजन पर fat, इसी वजन पर rat, इसी वजन पर mad, इसी वजन पर cat, इसी वजन पर pat. These are all short sounds of A vowel. When we use A in the middle and E in the end, it becomes bade, bade. F-A-T-E, fade. R-A-T-E, raid. M-A-D-E, made. इसी तरह M-A-T, mad और M-A-T-E, made. So this is the end of the sound A with two sounds, A long and A short. A short means that when we pronounce this sound, it would take a shorter time. As far as the long sound is concerned, when we pronounce it, it takes a longer time. Now we come to E, B-E-D. It is pronounced bad, bad, bad. Now, B-E जब आ जाएगा B और D के दरमियान, it would become bead. Bad मैंने बुरा, bead मैंने तस्बीह के दाने. इसी तरह जब दरमियान में दो कॉन्सोनेंट्स के दरमियान डबल ई या ई ए आ जाएगा तो it would become a long sound, and when E comes between the two consonants, it would become a shorter sound, like bad, mad, lad, pat, bag, leg, lad. बेशुमार साउंड्स हैं. अगर आप मुनासिब समझते हैं तो इन साउंड्स को एक नोटबुक पर लिखते जाएं, आपको साउंड भी मिल जाएंगी और एट द सेम टाइम यू गेट a longer list of vocabulary. Bed means bistar. Bed means carry. A lot of meanings. He is lying on bed. This is a bed of flowers. Carry. This is the river bed. यहाँ से दरिया बहता है. तो when we say bead, B-E-A-D, इसके मानी है तस्बीह दाने. इसी तरह B-E-A-T, beat, मारना. इसी तरह R-E-A-D, read, पढ़ना. इसी तरह डबल आ जाए तो R-E-E-D, read, सरकंडा. इसी तरह seed, S-E-E-D, बीज. इसी तरह पीप, P-E-E-P, झांकना. तो बेशुमार साउंड्स हैं डबली वाली और ई वाली जो दो कॉन्सोनेंट्स के दरमियान आएंगे. द थर्ड sound is of I, B, D, and in between I. It would pronounce as bid, sit, knit, fit, did, kit, rid. And when we use E in the end, it becomes bide, ride, light, L-I-G-H-T, light. This is another sound, N-I-G-H-T, night, M-I-G-H-T, might. इसी तरह B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. There are so many sounds. So these are called long sounds of I. Bide your time. अपना वक्त लो, take your time. If you want to take a decision, I would say, bide your time before you take a decision. और बिड मैंने होता है बोली, ऑक्शन में जो बोली होता है, माई बिड इज़ 50,000 रुपीज़, और बिडर बन गया बोली देने वाला। द ऑक्शन वुड बी गो टू द हाईएस्ट बिडर, सबसे ज़्यादा बोली देने वाला। नाउ वी कम टू ओ, नंबर 4, BOD, bored. This is only a sound having no meanings. But BODE, bored, 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 BOD, इसके माने होता है शगुन। These clouds bode ill, मतलब ये बादल बरसेंगे। His behavior bodes ill, उसका रवैया बुरा शगुन देता है। तो इसी तरह बेशुमार लफ्ज़ हैं, गॉट, गोट, रॉड, रोड, ROD रोड और ROAD रोड। रोड मैंने सड़क और रोड मैंने सवारी करना। नंबर 5, यू, बड, कट, मग, मड, रग। These are so many sounds. Bud मैंने कली, शगुफा। When a seed grows and the first shoot comes out, it is called bud. Nip in the bud. There is an idiom which means we should nip the evil in the bud. हमने बुराई को शुरू में ही कुचल देना चाहिए। और ब्यूड जो है, ब्यूड, this is again a sound which no meaning, no word. Cut, cute. Duck, duke. Dew, DUE. Few, FEW. New, NEW. New. The sixth sound is double O. Now you would find some difficulty. In both words there are double O. Now BOO के bock, COO के cock, LOO के lock, HOO के hook, CROO के crock। इसी तरह बेशुमार लफ्ज़ हैं, STOD, stood, ये शॉर्ट साउंड्स हैं। इसके अलावा पुट, PUT, स्टूडेंट्स कहते हैं कि कहीं बट और कहीं पुट। पुट में दरअसल डबल ओ शॉर्ट होता है, वुड में डबल ओ शॉर्ट होता है। वुड, WOULD, उसमें भी L साइलेंट होता है, और WOULD, L इज़ म्यूट, नहीं बोला जाता, और बाकी को वुड कहेंगे, डबल ओ शॉर्ट। इसी तरह शुड, इसी तरह कुड। तो इन दिस वे देयर आर 12 साउंड, 12 वॉवल साउंड्स। इनमें से 6 आर शॉर्ट and 6 are long. They are double sounds. Now we come to the 13th sound. After these 12 sounds, we come to single sounds. OU or OW. OU, out, OUT. Bout, BOUT. Rout, ROUT. Tout, TOUT. इसी तरह sound, SOUND. Bound, FOUND. Round, ROUND. Sound, SOUND. Many words. Ground, GROUND. These are sounds, neither they are shorter nor they are longer. One sound. The same is the case with OW. Now, NOW. Cow, COW. How, HOW. So this way, how, now, cow, आगे crown, CROWN, brown, BROWN, frown, FROWN. फ्राउन होता है माथे पर जो तेवड़ी होती है. There are frowns of anger on his face. There are many sounds. They are the same sounds with different words. OU and OW, they have got the same sounds. They are pronounced similarly, likewise, but their meaning, their words, spelling are different, and pronunciation is the same, but spelling are different, meaning are different. Now we come to number 14, OU or OY. Boy, BOY. Toy, TOY. Coy, COY. शर्मीला, यानी शी इज़ कॉय, यानी वो शर्मीले होने की अदाकारी कर रही है. शी इज़ नॉट रियली मॉडेस्ट एंड शाई, शी इज़ कॉय. सिमिलरली प्लॉय, PLOW, एम्प्लॉय, डिप्लॉय. There are so many words. The same is the case with OI. Boil, BOIL. Soil, SOIL. Boil मैंने उबालना. I am boiling milk. Soil, ज़मीन. The soil is very fertile. He is the son of the soil. वो धरती का बेटा है. और इसी तरह now we come to sound number 15. AU, then AW, then ANN. AU, cause, cause. It's not cause. Cause, pause, PAUSC. Because, BECAUSC. Three sounds. Then AW, law, LAW. It's not law, it's law. Law of the land. We should follow the law of the land. Then lawn, LAWN. Then raw material, RAWL. Then ALL. All the students are listening to the speech. Then call, there is a call for you. आपका phone आया. Then there is recall. किसी माजी के बात को याद करना या वापस बुलाना. The Pakistani ambassador in India has been recalled, called back, वापस बुला लिया गया. So these are at the moment 15 sounds. Total sounds, as I have mentioned already, are 20 sounds. Now 5 sounds are remaining, which I discuss tomorrow. Now, in passing, I'll tell you something of the lecture which I have given you some days, 1 or 2 days back. I have told you the power of knowledge, the first way. As you know, when the Prophet was about 39 or 40 years old, he used to go to the cave of Hira, a cave which was at some distance from Mecca. He went there for meditation and for prayers. Till then, he was not commissioned to be a prophet of God. So, what he was praying, about what he was meditating, is known to him or nobody knows. The Prophet has told in certain traditions, we know as much as the traditions tell us. Now, one thing which I want to emphasize, these 5 verses which were revealed on the Prophet as the first revelation, as I told you, they are very important. They are the gist of knowledge. This revelation shows how important knowledge is in the eye of law, in the eye of Islam, in the eye of Allah Ta'ala, in the eye of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Now in the first verse, there are 3 words, rather 4 words. Ikra bismi rabbikal ladzi khalaq. There are 4 words. Ikra, ism, रब और खलक. पढ़ अपने रब के नाम के साथ जिसने तख्लीक किया. Read in the name of thy Lord who created. 4 words. 2 of them are verbs, fail, and 2 of them are nouns, ism और रब. अल्लाह का पहला तारुफ रब, नॉट अल्लाह. अल्लाह वो जिसकी इबादत की जाए, इलाह, माबूद. यहाँ रब मुराद. तो इन द सेकंड वर्स देयर आर 3 words, main words. The rest are either relative pronouns or prepositions. खलक़ल इंसान मिन अलक़. रब ने इंसान को एक छोटी सी बूंद से पैदा किया. हकीर, contemptible, dirty, बदबूदार. So how important it is. Like a seed, a big tree grows out of the seeds. Similarly, all the prophets, all the saints come out of this small drop of water, drop of blood, drop of semen. So this shows how humble the origin of man. इंसान मुखातिब है, मुसलमान मुखातिब नहीं. अल्लाह ने इंसान को खून की फुर्ती से पैदा किया, एक बूंद से पैदा किया. It means the origin of man is very humble, but if he is proud, he is arrogant, he is vainglorious, and he goes beyond his limits, the limits which God have decided, then he is a rebel. He goes against the laws of Allah. इंसान को ये बावर करवाया जा रहा है कि इंसान तू कितना, तेरा ओरिजिन कितना हकीर है, और अगर तू एरोगेंट हो रहा है तो ये तू खुदा के लिमिट्स और अहकामात के बाहर जा रहा है. इसमें भी 3 लफ्ज़ हैं. इनमें से एक वर्ब है और दूसरा खलक है और तीसरा अलग है. खलक़ल इंसान मिन अलक़. खलक इंसान और अलग. अलग के मानी लीच के भी होते हैं. ये अलग के मानी सस्पेंडेड के भी होते हैं, जो चीज़ मुअल्लक़ की गई हो. देयर आर सो मैनी मीनिंग्स ऑफ दिस वर्ड. द थर्ड वर्स इज इकरा व रब्बुकुल अकरम. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पढ़ और तेरा रब बड़ा कर्म करने वाला है. Read and thy Lord is beneficent. Thy Lord is bountiful. He gives all things if you read. If we look around, look at China, look at America, look at Western Europe, they are gone very up in terms of progress. Fourth verse is